स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट द सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट थ्योरी। अभी तक हमने कई सारी थ्योरीज पढ़ी। हमने काइंस थ्योरी पढ़ी, हमने देन पेट्रार्कल थ्योरी पढ़ी, हमने मेट्रार्कल थ्योरी पढ़ी, एंड देन उसके बाद हमने डिवाइन थ्योरी पढ़ी। तो हर थ्योरी अपने आप में ये बता रही है कि स्टेट के फॉर्मेशन के लिए क्या ज़रूरी था। तो हर पॉलिटिकल थिंकर ने अपने अपने तरीके की थ्योरीज दी। जैसे कि काइंस ने बोला, काइंस ने क्या बोला था अपनी थ्योरी में? ही सेड, स्टूडेंट्स ने क्या बोला? काइंस थ्योरी ने हमें ये बताया कि एक फैमिली और गवर्नमेंट के बीच में कैसे, अगर हम एक तरीके का इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन करें तो वो कैसे स्टेट का फॉर्मेशन होगा। पेट्रार्कल थ्योरी में क्या हुआ था? पेट्रार्कल थ्योरी में इट वाज मोर टुवर्ड्स द head of the family, which was the male descendants. Means male, जो elder male था family का, he was the person who will be deciding everything for the family. So that's how paternal theory came. Patriarchal theory came. Then comes about the matriarchal theory. Matriarchal theory means mother, means the head of the family or the main decision maker was the mother. Then divine theory came. Divine theory, what it stated about the God. Like God had created everything. God created trees, God created human beings. So state was also created by the God only. Now let's come on the social contract theory. What is social contract theory? Social contract theory is basically the people give up the individual freedom to do whatever they want in exchange for peace and protection. सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट थ्योरी ये बोल बताती है बेटा कि अपनी पीस और प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, शांति के लिए और अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए एक थ्योरी क्रिएट करी गई लोगों के द्वारा, जिसमें उन्होंने अपने आप को एक तरीके का फ्रीडम दिया, सो दैट दे कैन हैव, अगर उनको फ्रीडम मिलेगा तो इन एक्सचेंज दे कैन हैव पीस, प्लस दे कैन ऑल्सो फील प्रोटेक्टेड। Otherwise, people would live in a state of nature that is natural law. एवरी मैन एंड वुमेन फॉर देमसेल्फ। अगर वो अपने आप को ये वाली इंडिविजुअल थ्योरी नहीं देते, इंडिविजुअल फ्रीडम नहीं देते अपनी पीस के लिए, अपने प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, तो दे माइट हैव लिव्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नेचुरल लॉ। लाइक what natural law states that a war of against all hobbies, no developed culture, industries, etc., constant danger of death and continual fear, no law, no right or wrong, nothing is just or unjust, no property. Means that time there will be nothing of their own. Everything was of the nature. So nobody can come out from their shell, live their life peacefully, happily, stated by the social contract theory. So basically, social contract theory is an act by which individual agree to form a government. Any individual who will reform themselves, who will give themselves a chance of freedom so that they can live in a peace and harmony, then that individual agreement forms a government. According to social contract theory, government are established by the people who combine to achieve some goal. If all of such kind of people who want and who will be giving their own individual freedom, such group of people, if we combine all of them with the same goal, then it forms a state. सो अब कौन से पॉलिटिकल थिंकर थे जिन्होंने ये वाली थ्योरी दी थी? इट वॉज गिवन बाय थॉमस हॉब्स, जॉन लॉके and Jean Jacques Rousseau were social contract theorists. Means they were the political thinker who gave this social contract theory. See, every political thinker were having different aspects of seeing things, like Aristotle, MacLennan. Now this is Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, Jean Jacques Rousseau. So they all were having different concept of seeing, of experimenting, like how the state was formed. Some experience with the help of the special, after seeing and experiencing the special tribes, like अभी हमने लास्ट उसमें पढ़ा था कि साउथ अफ्रीका की टोटम ग्रुप को उन्होंने स्टडी किया, तो वहाँ से उन्होंने ये फील किया देयर वाज अबंडेंस ऑफ पॉलीगैमी एंड पॉलीएंड्री. So this is how the political gave their theory. So in the social contract theory was given by whom? Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. They were the social contract theory political thinkers. It is a very easy chart to understand and it's one of the very important chart as well to make. Like in this, we have the social contract in between, and in the left hand side we have government, right hand side we have people. So social contract theory is surrounded by government and people. Government can be anything, it can be king, it can be any person who is to be followed. So what it used to have, it protects your right. If you overthrow it, it gives you the power. If you protect it, anybody can misuse the power as well. So it is the vice versa. If you will do good, then government will give you in return good benefits. If you will misuse those things, then government will abide you of doing anything wrong, right? After this like social contract theory, many people have got this thing in their mind, like why should we owe other, like what do I owe others, means मैं अगर इन रूल्स को फॉलो करता हूँ तो क्या और भी लोग इन रूल्स को फॉलो करेंगे? सी, अगर हमें किसी भी चीज़ को मानना है तो हर चीज़ के लिए एक मेजॉरिटी की ज़रूरत होती है, राइट? अगर मैक्सिमम पीपल उसको फॉलो करेंगे देन इट विल क्रिएट, otherwise it will destroy if nobody will believe on that substance, right? So here also it is happening the same. If a bunch of people, if a group of people is following the individual freedom theory, that is social contract theory, then other people also need to follow the same theory. And what consists my own dignity? अब नाउ बात आती है कि अगर मैं इस चीज़ को फॉलो करता हूँ और कोई फॉलो नहीं करता, तो कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मैं अपनी ईगो को, अपने डिग्निटी को एक तरीके से सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट में ले आऊँगा? वॉट मैं रिचुअली इस चीज़ को फॉलो करता हूँ तो कई लोगों को ऐसा तो नहीं लगेगा कि आई वेरी ईगोइस्टिक, या फिर मैं अपने सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट के चलते अपनी फ्रीडम को ज़्यादा इंजॉय कर रहा हूँ इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ अदर पीपल्स एज वेल? ऐसा नहीं है. See, everybody has to live with a group of people. Nobody can live individually. So, to live with society, you have to follow the social norms also. So here also it is the same. If a bunch of people is following the social contract theory, then other people also have to follow the same social contract theory. Now the another question arises, why we moral means हम ही क्यों उतने दयावान बने? इसके पीछे रीज़न ये है कि if you will be good, if you will be kind, you will be following the rules and regulation, you are maintaining the peace among everybody, harmony among everybody, you're enjoying your freedom, then you have to undergo with all these things to form a state. Summarizing this theory, let us see what are its key concepts on which it is all based. So it is basically based on the state of nature, that is a pre-social condition. Pre-social conditions mean पुराने टाइम की जो भी सोशल कंडीशंस थी, इट वाज लाइक दीज थ्योरीज वर बेस्ड ऑन दोज social conditions. That time, whatever those political thinker have experienced, they have given according to the condition of the society and according to the people of that social conditions. Then the thing summarizing this, to summarizing it, what is social contract? The social contract was an agreement between member of the community, means the member of the people who were in that group, then the member of the community and the sovereign, means they wanted to have the individual agreement. Individual agreement means they wanted to have individual freedom. So all those people who were believer of this thing, they were following the social contract theory. So here sovereign is what? Sovereign is the legitimate head of a state after the social contract. A person or group of persons such as monarch or government, the people representing themselves. So sovereign were whom? Sovereign were the people. And those people who were having freedom in their mind, who were looking for peace and harmony. Those people were following their monarch, king. That time that time it used to have a king rule, monarch rule, right? So everybody was following either the king or the representative who were for the state. So that's how the social contract theory formed to form a state.